Good afternoon and welcome to Meet the News on Radio Maria 93.5 FM Magudi. My name is Nina Washima. The headlines. UNICEF charges nursing mothers to adopt zero water exclusive breastfeeding for infants in the first 6 months after delivery. And now the news in details. The United Nations International Children Emergency Fund UNICEF has charged nursing mothers to adopt zero water exclusive breastfeeding for infants in the first 6 months after delivery for good health and well-being of their children. The pronouncement was made known after 2 days on a media dialogue on World Breastfeeding to drive Nigeria's Nutrition Zero Water campaign for improved exclusive breastfeeding for infants in 4 states of Enugu, Benue, Cross River and Anambra. According to the communications officer, UNICEF Enugu Field Office, Dr. Ijeoma Onoha, the media dialogue was aimed at producing more content on exclusive breastfeeding. She said UNICEF will continue to work with the media to project its activities and expects the participants to draw a media plan that would emphasize on zero water agenda for babies until the age of 6 months. In her presentation on defining media rules and strategies to address breastfeeding inequalities and low prevalence, a professor of development communication and deputy vice chancellor, Paul University Akwa, Professor Chinyere Stella Okuna, noted that the media is powerful enough to take up the campaign and encourage nursing mothers not to give water to their infant babies in the first 6 months after delivery. On his part, the Anambra State Commissioner for Health, Dr. Afam Obidike, reiterated that mothers should be supervised by health workers to ensure infants are given breast milk within 1 hour of child delivery. He further challenged the media to adopt an open mind to discussions on zero water campaign for exclusive breastfeeding to attain specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound goals. Speaking to Radio Maria shortly after the event, one of the participants and Benue State Nutrition Officer from the State Primary Healthcare Board, Mrs. Faustina Shal, expressed gladness over the media dialogue for exclusive breastfeeding campaign, saying it has equipped her and other participants to do more towards the success of zero water campaign in the various local governments in Benue State. According to breastfeeding in the first 6 months, is fundamental to the effective development of every child.
To create more awareness on this zero water campaign so that when mothers start with early initiation of breastfeeding and exclusive breastfeeding, which are the fundamentals for effective breastfeeding, they will also continue with adequate complementary feeding and continued breastfeeding till the child is 2 years and beyond.
Earlier in her welcome address, Chief of UNICEF Field Office, Enugu, Mrs. Juliet Chiluwe, appreciated the quite essential role of the media in the zero water exclusive breastfeeding campaign, further calling on other partners to key into the agenda for Nigeria's sustainable development goals.
We hope to see the big changes. The next time we are having the mixed survey, we should be able to have positive changes. It should not just be the same story as we have. So UNICEF honors this partnership and the commitment of the media in terms of amplifying the rights of the child.
The event, which converged at Agulu, Anambra State between 26th and 27th August 2024, had in attendance participants from both the electronic and print media in Benue, Enugu, Cross River and Anambra State, resource persons from UNICEF, top government officials and the academia. Our health correspondent Godwin Igber gathered the highlights of the occasion, where the presentation of papers on closing the gap breastfeeding support for all by Ngozi Onuara, nutrition specialist, UNICEF Field Office, Enugu State, the Baby Friendly Hospital Initiative, and the Nigeria updated 10 steps to successful breastfeeding by Jeremiah Nweke, nutrition data officer, UNICEF Enugu Field Office, among others. The event also featured media planning and pitching, interactive sessions, and content creation for the successful zero water campaign for exclusive breastfeeding.